Confirm Uber rides. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to confirm all your Uber rides. This adds an extra layer of security. You'll get a security code for each ride you request. You'll need to confirm this code with your driver. It's extra safety if you're worried about getting in the wrong car. This setting adds ride confirmation to your Uber trips. Like this kind of content? Check out other related videos on this channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Alright folks, let's go through the updated process. This video shows you the steps, all up to date. After logging in, tap the account option at the bottom. In account, scroll down a bit and tap on settings. In settings, scroll down for more options. Find, verify your ride to confirm you're in the right car. This is crucial if you're worried about getting into the wrong Uber. To confirm, you'll need to activate this option. If it's off, turn it on and tap Done. Next ride, you'll get a code to verify with your driver. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks, folks.